Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about FRP bypass protection for itel Vision 1 Pro. This means that this video can also be used on itel Vision 1, which is not a Pro or the light one. So just if you have both of or one of those, just watch this video. Alright, let's start. First we have to press on start, and we press on skip. So I just want to show you that it's true, this phone is really locked. Before we start with the bypass tricks and other stuff, note that you first have to connect on internet, which I already did. You can see the internet icon up there for the Wi-Fi, which means that I've connected already. So let's just wait, and yeah, here we press on don't copy. Just a sec. Alright, we can see that we have a pin. Let me try one. No, let me try this pin, which is 0000. Wrong pin. I try another one, which is 4 ones. Still not going through. So let's try using my Google account instead to see if really this is locked. Alright, I just want to show you before we try to do any trick. So here we can see we don't have a skip. Yeah, let me try to say next. It's saying wrong, enter the pin or whatever. So let's go back and start with the tricks now. The first thing is go in emergency, double click there, then the pen icon here, tap on the name, on the profile there, choose an image. After this we have to press on these 3 lines up here, and then we long press on gallery go. So here we'll use the notification. Here we click. Alright, then the 3 dots up there, click, and help and feedback. I can see this method is not working for this phone. Let me retry it for the second time so that you see. I still press on the 3 dots up there, and then help and feedback. This trick is not working, so we have to go back and retry with another trick again. Okay, go back. Still have to go back to the welcome screen or hide the screen. Okay, let me try to call the emergency number. If the trick will work, we'll have 3 dots up here, which in this case is not working. So this means that this trick is also not working. We could have 3 dots there, but now I just have to go back. So now we'll try this trick also, the third one. Yeah, change the language to one of these 3 languages here. Choose this one. Choose the first one. It's not clicking. Okay, let me take the other one. Alright, next. Skip. Okay, go back. Still back. Alright, here you go where it say add internet, then you go here, you long press on the space bar. This trick is also not working. Alright, so let's go back. We could have some green color words here, but yeah, now we have to go back and try this other method. Alright, let's try this one. Go back to English language or whatsoever language that you know. So now we have to click on Vision here, then we turn on talk back, toggle it on, allow. Alright, now talkback is on. So you swipe an L, you draw L, still draw L until maybe it's not functioning well, but yeah, draw an L. Alright, allow. Then use voice commands. Say open Google Assistant. Let me tap here to activate it, then open YouTube. Alright, there we go. We are in YouTube now, and in case you see that it's saying update Google, I mean YouTube, just reset your phone again, because there are a lot of times that these things help. So now we have to switch off talkback by pressing the two volume buttons there. Then we say use shortcut, then still press to turn it off. Right, talkback is off now. Now you have to press on the three dots on the top right hand corner. Then you go with say terms and privacy, then accept and continue. We are opening the Chrome browser here. No thanks. Alright, you can see this method is working. So now tap here and type in VNROM, one of the websites for FRP bypass. So next, so the pop-up will be for VNROM bypass Google account 2026. We use this one, so just wait for some minutes. Alright, here we can choose the one that says open screen smart lock. Open. Alright, here you can choose one of your login pin that you want. For me, I chose pattern, so I drew a Z pattern here. Then next, still to confirm, you draw it the second time, then confirm. After that, you just type in other security questions. What is your favorite color? So here I put any color that you want, but in my case I'm putting here blue. You can even put red or whatsoever, anything that you want by yourself there. So blue. Then here question 2, my favorite sport, still I put blue, no problem. The next, done. Yes, I mean, understood. Alright, now you just have to restart your cell phone, or if you want you can just go back to the previous screen, but in most cases if you just go back to the previous screen, when you go to the pin section or password section where they ask you to log in, it cannot work sometimes, so it's better to restart the phone. Alright, just wait for some moment while the phone is busy restarting. Yeah, for more questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll answer your questions. So in case this video maybe the security feature is patched, just give me your question and I'll be able to answer you and refer you to another video which is at least covering advanced features about the patched, because if the system is patched you can't log in like that. Alright, now let's go put in the Z pattern that I had put in previously. So put in a Z. Yeah, now it's opened. So next, skip. Let's wait for some moment. Alright, don't copy. Yes, and you can see now that previously there was a pin here, but now it's a pattern. It have worked. So I put in the pattern, boom, there we go. It entered. So now we just have to go on the page that for Google account login and see what will happen. Alright, there's skip part in here. The skip is here now, so we can skip. You can see that after I say skip, the lock will disappear up there. It's gone, which means the phone is opened. But as you go next, still you'll be asked to put in the pattern, the same pattern that you have put. You just have to repeat it, just like that, until you get the home screen. And if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and don't be left behind. I share most of these videos for bypassing insecurities, features, yeah, and I'm also planning to drop some repairing video courses, so please do subscribe. There you go, the home screen is here. Thanks for watching.